Hello students, a very good morning to you all. This is your maths class and today we are going to do our exercise 3b. Okay, so let us see the first question. Here it is given that we have to add 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5. Okay, as the denominator is same, okay, the denominator is same, so we can easily add the numerator of both. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, so it will be 2 by 5. So our final answer is 2 upon 5. Okay. Now let us see the second one. Okay. Here also the denominator is same, so we can say if denominator is same, you can add the numerator or subtract the numerator as well. Here it is 4 again, plus and minus. Okay, plus and minus both signs are being multiplied. If they are written in very close, they are being multiplied. There is only one negative sign, one is odd, it will be negative. 4 minus 5. 4 minus 5 is equal to minus 1. So it will be minus 1 upon 7. The final answer is minus 1 upon 7. Let us see the next one. What is this? So it is minus 7 upon 9. Here there are two negative signs, minus and minus. Two negative sign. Okay, 2 is even. 2 is even, so it will be positive. If negative appears odd number of time, odd is what? The number which are not divisible by 2. If negative appeared odd number of time, it will be negative. If negative appear even number of time, it will be positive. So minus minus plus हो जाएगा. Plus 7 upon 9. Okay. So minus 7 upon 9 plus 7 upon 9. The denominator is same. Take it this. Minus 7 plus 7. What it will be? Minus 7 plus 7, it will be 0. Okay. So, no need to write the denominator. 0 is itself. So, here the answer is positive. The answer is negative. The answer is 0. Okay. So, this is the thing. Now again, let us see the second one. What is this? Very easy. The denominator is 9. Just add 2 plus 5. What it will be? It will be 7 upon 9. So you can write the final answer 7 upon 9. Let us see this one. The denominator is 36. So we can add 23 plus 11. 23 plus 11, it will be 34. 34 upon 36. Okay. You can also simplify this fraction, this rational number. You can cut it by 2. That is 17 and it will be 18. Okay. So the final answer is 17 upon 18. Okay. If you can simplify further in the simplest formula, you should do it. Okay. Let us do it again. Here it is minus 5 by 17. Okay. This number is in mixed fraction. We need to convert it into the vulgar one. How we will do it? We will multiply 17 by 7 and we will add 11. Okay. So this is the thing. Okay. Now again 17 multiplied by 7. Okay. It is 119. 119 plus 11. Okay. So what is the answer? Let us see. 119 plus 11. It will be 130. 130 upon 17. Again the denominator is same. It will be 17 minus 5 plus 130. Okay. Minus 5 plus 130. What it will be? 130 minus 5, that is 125. 125 upon 17. Okay. Let us see the fourth one. Here also minus appears 2 times. Okay. Minus is also in the numerator and minus is in the denominator. 2 times 2 is even, it will be positive. So it will be 11 upon 37 plus 26 upon 37. So this is 37. Again adding the numerator, it is 11 plus 26. It will be 37 upon 37. Cancelling out, we get the answer as 1. So the final answer is 1. Let us see the next question. What we need to do here, we need to add them. Okay, let us first convert into the proper form. This is 1 upon minus 3. Okay, the minus appears first one time only. So it will be minus 1 upon 3 and we have to add it to minus 1 by 4. Okay. So also here we can see that in the previous questions the denominator were same. Okay, when the denominator were same, we can add the numerator, we can subtract the numerator very easily. So here the denominators are different, so we need to take the LCM of 3 and 4. Okay, we need to take the LCM of 3 and 4. Okay, there is no factor common, okay, in both, so just we need to multiply them. What is that? It is 12. 3 into 4, it is 12. Now we have to convert this 3 to 12. What we need to multiply? We need to multiply it by 4. Okay. Similarly, whatever is being multiplied to the denominator, we need to multiply it to the numerator also. Again, let us see. Here it is minus 1 upon 4. The denominator is 4. We need to convert it into 12. What we need to do? We need to multiply it by 3. Similarly, we will multiply the numerator also by 3. Okay. What is this? It becomes minus 4 by 12. Okay. And it is plus minus 1 into 3, that is minus 3. Again 4 into 3, it is 12. Okay. Again, now we are seeing that the denominator becomes equal. Okay. Again it is, we can write the denominator as 12. Here it is minus 4 plus minus 3. Okay. Here it is minus 4 and plus minus. Minus appears only one time, so it will be minus. So minus 4 minus 3 by 12. Okay. And minus 4 minus 3, it will be minus 7. Minus 7 by 12. So this is our final answer. Let us see how we proceed in the second one. Okay, taking the second question, let us put it in the proper form. 7 upon 15, we have to add what? Minus 5 by minus 12. Okay. Here the minus appears 2 times. Okay, 2 is even, so the sign will be plus. That is plus 5 by 12. Okay. Here also the denominator are different. So to add the rational number, we need to take the LCM of 15 and 12. Okay, we need to find LCM of 15 and 12. Okay, let us see how we find it. This is 15, this is 12. Okay, the first prime number is 2. We can divide. 15 is not divisible. 2 6 is 12. Again, can we divide it by 2? 2 3 times 6. Okay. Is any of the number divisible by 2? No. So we will take the next prime number, that is 3. 3 5 times 15. 3 1 is 3. Again, any of the number is divisible by 3? No. So next prime number is 5. So 5 1 times 5. Okay. So LCM will be equal to, just multiply all these numbers, 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. What is that? 2 into 2 4, 4 into 3 12, 12 into 5, this will be 60. So LCM is 60. Now the next step is that we need to convert these denominators to 60. So it will be 7 upon 15 and this is 5 upon 12. Okay. We need to multiply 15 to 4 so as to make it to 60. And similarly, numerator will be also 12 into 5 60, and similarly it will be also multiplied. 7 4 is 28. 28 upon 60. And what is this? 5 into 5 25 upon 60. Denominator is same, so we can add the numerator very easily. 28 plus 25. Adding them, what it comes? 5 plus 8 13, 2 2 plus 4 on 5 53 upon 60. So let us see the third question. This is the third question. Let us see. Here it is 1 upon 20. We have to add 1 upon minus 30. Negative sign appears only one time. So we can write it as 1 upon 20 minus 1 upon 30. Okay. Again, the denominators are different. So we need to take the LCM of 20 and 30. LCM of 20 and 30. How we need to find it? Let us see here. It is 20 and 30. The first prime number is 2. Divide them. We can divide it. It will be 15. Again divide. We can divide or not? Yes, we can do. So it will be 15. And again, we need to take the next prime number, that is 3. 3. We can divide 15 by 15. Okay. Now again, can we divide it by 3? No. Let us take the next prime number, that is 5. 1 times. Okay. So how we need to find the LCM? Let us multiply all these numbers. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. It is 2 to the 4. 4 3 is a 12. 12 5 is 60. So LCM is 60. Now we need to convert 1 upon 20 to 20 denominator to 60. For this we need to multiply it by 3. Similarly, the numerator will be also multiplied by 3. Now again, to make 30 to 60, we need to multiply it by 2. Similarly, the numerator also. Okay. So what it becomes? 1 into 3, it will be 3. Again, 1 into 2, it will be 2 upon 60. Okay. As the denominators are same, so let us take like this, and 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. We know it is 1. So answer will be 1 upon 60. So whenever the denominators are not same, we have to take the LCM, make the denominators equal, and then operate the sum. Fourth question. Let us take the first part. What is this? It is 2 plus 1 upon 3. Again, there are two signs, plus and minus. Minus appears one time, it will be minus, so it will be minus 1 upon 5. Again, as you know that it is 2, and 2 can be also written as 2 upon 1. Okay. Now we have to find LCM of 3 and 5. Okay. So just find LCM of 3 and 5. As you know that nothing has and there is no common factor, so just multiply them. It will be 3 into 5, it will be 15. Okay. So just convert the denominators to 15. So 2 upon 1, we need to convert, so we need to multiply by 15. Again 1 upon 3, we need to convert, multiply by 5. Again here also we need to convert, multiply by 3. Again 2 into 15, it will be 30. 30 upon 15. Again this will be 5 upon 15. Again it will be minus 3 upon 15. So the denominators are same. Just write 15, 30 plus 5 minus 3. Okay. Now here 30 plus 5, that is 35. 35 minus 3, that is 32. So the final answer is 32 upon 15. We need to write it minus 3 as minus 3 upon 1. Again, there are two signs, plus and minus. It will be minus 2 by 3. Okay. Here there are two negative, so it will be positive. Positive 3 by 5. Again, as you know that LCM of 3 and 5, it will be 15. Okay. So just convert the denominators to 15. Okay. So the denominators are 15. Now again write minus 45 minus 10 plus 9. Okay. So what it will be? Minus 45 minus 10. It will be minus 55 plus 9 upon 15. So it will be minus 46 upon 15. So the final answer is minus 46 upon 15. So this was all for today. Do your classwork, do your homework. Take care. Goodbye.